Have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly succeed while others struggle despite hard work? The answer may lie not in effort alone, but in a hidden force beneath the surface of your awareness, the subconscious mind. It's not magic, it's science, and it's far more powerful than we were ever taught. The subconscious mind is like a silent engine, constantly running in the background. It controls 95% of your daily actions, beliefs, and habits without you even realizing it. It stores every memory, every belief, every emotional response you've ever had, starting from birth. Think of it as your internal operating system. You don't have to think about breathing, walking, or even how to react to fear. It's automatic. That's the subconscious at work. But here's the catch. It doesn't judge. It doesn't filter. It accepts everything you feed it, truth or lie, positive or negative, and then acts accordingly. That's why negative self-talk, limiting beliefs, or past traumas can shape your present reality without your conscious permission. Neuroscience shows that your brain is constantly rewiring itself based on repeated thoughts and emotions. This is called neuroplasticity. Every time you think a thought, it creates a neural pathway. Repeat it enough, and that path becomes a highway, automatic and dominant. That's why if you constantly say, "I'm not good enough," your subconscious builds a reality around that belief. But when you flip that script and repeat, "I am capable, I am worthy, I am becoming better every day," your subconscious starts reshaping your external world to reflect your inner truth. This isn't wishful thinking, it's how habits, identity, and even performance are formed. Your subconscious influences your relationships. If you believe you're unlovable, you may sabotage connections. Finances. If you see money as evil or scarce, you'll push wealth away, even without knowing. Stressful thoughts signal danger to the brain, which can weaken the body over time. The reverse is also true. When you program your subconscious with abundance, peace, love, and success, your actions begin to align, opportunities seem to appear. You start attracting people, situations, and ideas that match your new internal blueprint. This is what people call the law of attraction, but it's really the law of alignment. You become what you believe. So how do you reprogram the subconscious mind? 1. Repetition. Repeat affirmations daily, especially when waking up or falling asleep. That's when the subconscious is most receptive. 2. Visualization. Imagine your desired future in vivid detail. The brain can't tell the difference between a real and imagined experience. 3. Emotion. Feel the emotion of success, love, or peace. Emotion imprints the message deeper. 4. Environment. Surround yourself with people, books, and content that align with your goals. 5. Silence. Use meditation to quiet the noise. In silence, you can hear the whispers of your deeper self. Remember, consistency is key. The subconscious mind doesn't change overnight, but it responds to persistence. You are not your past. You are not your fears. You are not your failures. You are what you choose to believe again and again until your subconscious accepts it as truth. And once it does, your life begins to change in extraordinary ways. The most powerful tool you'll ever have isn't outside of you. It's within you, silent, deep, always listening. So feed it well, train it wisely, and it will lead you to a life beyond your wildest imagination. This is the power of your subconscious mind.